Assalamu alaikum, dear students.
Walaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, fine, sir.
Alhamdulillah, fine, sir.
Thank you for joining in class. You know, this is the first class through online, and last class we have taken a last class in classroom and discussed on chapter 6, capital budgeting, right? Right, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and last topic was the techniques of capital budgeting. That means if you want to take a decision to invest in fixed asset, how will you calculate, how will you evaluate the project? There are 4 techniques have been written in your book, page number 70. Open your book. Have you opened your book?
No, sir, please give us a minute.
Yes, open your book. Open your book, page number 70, techniques of capital budgeting. Okay. Capital budgeting. The 4 techniques of capital budgeting are given in your book. These are ARR, PBP, NPV, IRR. Okay, right? Have to respond quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then before starting our math, have to know what is ARR, what is PBP, right? And in your book, all the questions will come from ARR and payback period. So I have to know what is ARR. ARR means average rate of return. What is ARR? What's the full meaning of ARR?
Average.
Yes, have to write down these points. ARR. ARR, write down. ARR means equal average rate of return. A formula of ARR equal to average net profit divided by average investment. Okay, raise your hand who are writing. Write down, and have to show after the class. Have to show your writing after the class. And how will you get net profit in a year? Net profit, if you want to get net profit from the profit minus current expense minus fixed cost minus depreciation, then have to deduct tax from the profit. Then you will get net profit. Okay, anyone tell how will you get net profit from profit?
So what?
Profit. How can you get net profit from profit? Profit থেকে কিভাবে net profit পেতে পারো? Have to deduct current expense, fixed cost, depreciation and tax from profit.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Then average net profit will be divided by average investment. So what is average investment?
The total net profit divided by number of years.
Average net profit, if you want to get average net profit, the formula of calculation of average net profit is total net profit divided by number of year. Then average investment equal to investment divided by
divided by
2, right? And another formula of calculating average investment, if there is salvage value, have to be added with
investment
right? Investment plus salvage value divided by 2. Then you will get average investment. Okay?
Yes, sir.
These are the formula of getting ARR. ARR. Another formula is PBP.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Payback period. Payback period. Payback period. How there are two formulas. If the cash flow is even, if the cash flow is even, that means cash flow is even means every year you will get same amount of money. This cash flow is even cash flow. So using even cash flow, the formula of getting payback period equal to investment divided by yearly even cash flow. Yearly even cash flow. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If the cash flow is uneven, that means suppose your project is for 5 years. First year you got 10,000. Second year you got 15,000. Third year 12,000. Fourth year 17,000. That means every year you have got cash flow different. Different cash flow is called uneven cash flow. So if there is given uneven cash flow in the stem, how will you calculate payback period? The formula of calculating payback period is full year plus cumulative cash flow of full year divided by cash flow of the full year. Can you tell, Jaber, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
If there is given uneven cash flow, how we can calculate payback period?
Sir, yeah, by adding full year plus cumulative cash flow of full year divided by cash flow of the full year.
Right. Using these formulas, we will solve some problems today. So be ready. Okay, write down these topics. Have you written these?
No, sir.
Okay, giving time 1 minute for writing this. Write down quickly. Or you can take a screenshot. Okay, next. Payback period. Write down.
স্যার আর অল্প একটু দেখান তো স্যার লাস্ট একটা স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নিই স্যার
Average investment equal to investment plus if there is salvage value in the stem have to be added with investment. Then you will divide this figure by 2. Average investment equal to if there is only investment will be divided by 2, then you will get average investment. Or if there is given salvage value beside investment, salvage value will be added with investment, then this figure will be divided by 2. Then you will get average investment. Done. Have you written? Okay, next, payback period. Write down within 1 minute. Payback period. There are two formulas getting payback period. If there is even cash flow, and if there is even cash flow, or if there is uneven cash flow. Okay, raise hands. Who are writing? Only 4. What about other students? Okay, complete?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Sir,
Okay.
1 minute.
Payback period.
Sir, yes, sir. Done. It's done.
Payback period equal to if the cash flow is even, have to use the first formula, investment divided by yearly even cash flow. If the cash flow is uneven, have to use second formula. That means full year plus cumulative cash flow of full year divided by cash flow of the year of the full year. Okay. Cumulative cash flow and cash flow is different. So next one, here is an example. Look, can we see?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you see the screen? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here is written, Haque Food Products is implementing a food processing project for a period of 6 years at a fixed cost of DHAKA 1,50,000. The profit after tax of the previous years of the said project is as follows. Yearly amount of money, this is a problem. 2015 cash flow after tax profit or loss. After tax profit or loss have to give minus before 10. Minus 10,000 in 16, 5,000 in 17, 20,000 in 18, 30,000 in 19, 25,000 in 20, 10,000. So number C question, determine the cash flow of Haque Food Products. And number D, evaluate the investment decision of the organization by determining the payback period of the project under implementation. Okay. The solution has can you see?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see the screen?
Ji, sir.
Yes. Illustration one on ARR and payback period. ARR and payback period. Another illustration. Haque company has 2 projects in hand. Haque company 2টা project রয়েছে. The initial investment of each project is DHAKA 60,000. How much? 60,000. 60,000. So what is the investment money?
Yes, sir. 6,000.
What's the investment money?
Sir, the investment money is 40,000.
60,000. 60,000.
Oh, 60,000. Project
60,000.
1 is 40,000.
Right. And the duration of the project is 4 years. 4 বছরের জন্য. And estimated income for the next 4 years from project 1. Here is written Haque company has 2 projects. So project 1 is DHAKA 40,000 DHAKA, 40,000, 60,000, 50,000 and 80,000 respectively. Estimated income. Current expense 20,000 of estimated income. Estimated income means এই যে expected যে income রয়েছে যে প্রাকলিত আয় 40,000, 60,000, 50,000 and 80,000. 20% of this amount. 20% of this amount is current expense. And fixed cost always fixed. So here is given the fixed expense is DHAKA 5,000 and taxes 30,000. On the other hand, the after-tax profit of project 2 is DHAKA 4,000, 5,000, 8,000 and 6,000. In project 2, given after-tax profit, but in project 1, given before-tax profit. Okay? The average profit rate of project 2 is 19.18%. Record will be uploaded in YouTube, so you can see the problem through YouTube. So I like to give the solution of this problem illustration. Number C, given the question, determine the payback time of project 2. Payback time. Payback time. So can you see my board? Can you see my board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait. Project, here is written project 2. So project 2 is given after tax profit. If you want to calculate payback period, have to add depreciation of the project 2 with after tax profit. That means here is given 4,000, have to add the depreciation of the project. Depreciation of the project. So before that, can you see? Can you see? Boardটা clear দেখা যায়?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
জি স্যার সব ক্লিয়ার দেখা যাচ্ছে।
Okay. Just carry on your writing. Carry on. Have to write. Have to write calculation of payback period of project 2. Calculation of payback period of project 2. Project 2. Given after tax profit, that means net profit. If you want to calculate payback period of project 2, have to add depreciation with after tax profit. So after tax profit given first year is 4,000, second year is 5,000, third year is what? Tell me. What's the figure in third year? 8,000, right?
Yes, sir. And in the fourth year, 6,000.
Fourth year is 6,000. The average profit rate of project 2 is 19.18%. So the question is calculate payback period of project 2. So first of all, have to calculate the depreciation. There is no depreciation, but given the investment money and the year. So depreciation, write down. Depreciation equal to investment divided by lifetime. Okay. Investment plus lifetime. Investment minus salvage value. If there is any salvage value, have to deduct from the investment, but there is no salvage value. Is there? Is there any salvage value?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
there is not given salvage value. So salvage value will be 0. And investment is how much? 60,000, right? Salvage value equal to 0. Lifetime is 4 years. So depreciation will be 15,000, right? $15,000. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার।
Yes. Let me see. Can you see now? এখন কি বড় পর্দায় দেখা যায় নাকি ছোট পর্দায়?
স্যার ছোট পড়ছে।
ওকে, এখন একই রকম?
না স্যার ঠিক আছে, এখন বড় পড়ছে, ঠিক আছে।
Okay. We have got 15,000. The depreciation of project 2 is 15,000. So these 15,000 will be added in each year of project 2. Can I erase it? Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So determination of cash flow. Determination of cash flow, because have to add 15,000 with after tax net profit. So have to draw a table. Year 4, year 3, year 2, year 1. Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. Description. Description. After tax. After tax profit. After tax profit. First year is 4,000. Second year is 5,000. Third year is 8,000. Fourth year is how much? 6,000, right? Am I right? Plus
Yes, sir.
depreciation. আচ্ছা তোমরা কি
Yes, sir. You're right.
এই বাবা তোমরা কি বুঝতে পারছো?
জি স্যার।
সবাই কি দেখতে পাচ্ছো? দেখতে পাচ্ছো স্ক্রিন?
জি স্যার। স্যার আপনার স্ক্রিনশটে যদি একটু অফ করতেন তাহলে লাইক আপনার ইসে মানে ক্যামেরাতে জুম করা যেত মোবাইল দিয়ে।
আচ্ছা স্ক্রিন শেয়ারটা আমি জুম করছি না, মানে ইয়ে করছি।
জি
ওকে
স্যার, ওটা অফ করে দিলে স্যার। হ্যাঁ এই যে স্যার এবার দেখা যাচ্ছে।
ওকে, তোমরা কি এখন দেখতে পাচ্ছো? বড় পর্দায় দেখতে পাচ্ছো?
জি স্যার।
Yes, sir.
ওকে, ডেপ্রিসিয়েশন আমরা পেয়েছি কত? 15,000, রাইট? 15,000 প্রত্যেকটার সাথে এভাবে have to add 15,000 with after tax cash flow, then have to add what will be the figure? Figure will be here 19,000, 20,000, 23,000. দেখা যাচ্ছে এখন? কথা বলবে? ক্যাশ ফ্লো।
জি স্যার, সব দেখা যায়।
Cash flow. Now, after depreciation added, we got the cash flow. Using this cash flow, have to calculate the NPV. NPV. Can I erase? Have you written?
Yes sir.
Other students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, have to erase the table. ফিগার আমাকে কিন্তু বলতে হবে, আমাকে কিন্তু মুছে দিচ্ছি। দেন এখন আমরা ক্যালকুলেট করব ক্যালকুলেশন অফ এনপিভি না পেব্যাক পিরিয়ড অফ প্রজেক্ট 2। সো হোয়াট উইল ইউ রাইট? You have to draw 3 columns. How many columns? Column 1, column 2, and column 3. How many columns?
Sir, 3.
3 columns, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So have to write year. Then this column's name is cash flow, and the third column's name is cumulative cash flow. CUMULATI, cumulative cash flow. Can you see clearly? Can you see clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years project. So first cash flow got from the previous table 19,000. Sorry, investment is 0 means investment. What's the meaning of 0? 0 means investment, and investment means cash outflow. So outflow will be given here minus 60,000. First year we got 19,000. Second year got with 20,000. We got from third column, third year 23,000, right? Am I right? Fourth year 21,000. Cumulative means added. All the figures, all the figures of previous year will be added. So here is given 0 and minus 60,000, and there is no figure before the 0. So minus 60 will be minus 60. And minus 60 plus 19,000 will be here minus 41,000. And minus 41,000 plus 20 equal to minus 20, minus 20, minus 21,000. Then minus 21,000 plus 23,000 equal to 2,000. And 2,000 plus 21,000 equal to 23,000, right? Understand? Are you writing the students?
Yes, sir.
Mahdi Hassan, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Jubair?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And now we have to find out the values of formulas. That means as the figure is uneven, for that we have to calculate payback period using this table. And let me write the formula here. Payback period equal to which formula we will use if there is uneven cash flow. Uneven cash flow equal to full year, right? Am I right? Full year plus draw a line, straight line, cumulative cash flow of full year, cumulative cash flow of full year, and cash flow only cash flow of full year. Okay, which figure is full year, which year is full year, and which figure will be the cumulative cash flow of full year, and which figure of will be the cash flow of full year. Have to find out from this table. So last minus figure, where we have got last minus figure. Tell me, in which year cumulative cash flow is last minus figure? সর্বশেষ মাইনাস ফিগার কোনটাতে আছে? কোন ইয়ারে আছে?
21,000.
2 year. Year number 2. So year number 2 will be the full year. Okay. So I have to write here 2 plus এই যে 2 year, তার মানে লাস্ট মাইনাস ফিগার যেটা সেই ইয়ারটা হচ্ছে ফুল ইয়ার। দেন কিউমুলেটিভ ক্যাশ ফ্লো অফ ফুল ইয়ার। সো কিউমুলেটিভ ক্যাশ ফ্লো ফিগার ইজ দিস। সো লাস্ট minus 20,000 টাকা is the cumulative cash flow of full year. অর্থাৎ ফুল ইয়ারের cumulative cash flow কত? বলো তো দেখি।
21,000.
21,000
minus 21.
minus না এখানে minus 21,000, but we will not use minus. Just figure will be taken. Okay? Understand? বুঝতে পেরেছো? হ্যাঁ, যেহেতু আমাদের এই টাকাতে শর্টেজ আছে, এই জন্য আমাদের কি করতে হবে? এটা ইকুয়াল করতে হবে। এই জন্য প্লাস আমরা লিখবো প্লাস 21,000 ডিভাইডেড বাই ক্যাশ ফ্লো। না, এটা ভুল লিখেছি। ক্যাশ flow of the year following the year of full year. Cash flow of the year. Cash flow of sorry এখানে একটু চেঞ্জ করতে হবে। of the year following the year full year, অর্থাৎ ফুল ইয়ারের তার পরের বছরের যে ক্যাশ ফ্লো আছে সেটা ব্যবহার করতে হবে। বলো তো দেখি, ক্যাশ ফ্লো অফ দ্য ইয়ার ফলোইং দ্য ইয়ার এ মিনস ফুল ইয়ার। হ্যাঁ, তাহলে ফুল ইয়ারের বলো এ বছর, এই ফুল ইয়ারের পরের বছরের ক্যাশ ফ্লো কত?
স্যার 20,000।
না, এ বছরের পরের বছরের, মানে ফুল বছরের পরের বছরের
23,000 sir।
23,000, right? 23,000. Okay. Now, if you calculate this, you will get what the figure? You will get 2 plus 0.91 equal to 2.91 year. 2.9. Can I erase? এটা কি বুঝতে পেরেছো? কে কে বুঝতে পেরেছো একটু বলো তো দেখি।
Yes, sir. Yes.
জি স্যার।
যারা বুঝতে পেরেছো একটু রেসপন্স করো, প্লিজ রেসপন্ড who have understood. Arham, have you understood? Arham, are you in class? Arham, maybe he is not listening or absent in class. Okay, this is the answer of C. This is the answer of C. So next, screen share. Next one is, which project is more acceptable? This is the answer of C, 2.91 years. That means the project money will be backed in 2.91 years. 2.91 বছরের মধ্যেই invested money will be returned. বিনিয়োগকৃত অর্থ ফেরত আসবে। Okay, from project 2. And which project is more acceptable for Haque company? Give feedback based on average profit rate, average rate of return. Average profit rate মানে কি? Average rate of return. Look, in project 2, the average rate of return is given of project 2, 19.18. So if we give answer which project is more acceptable, have to calculate the average rate of return of project 1. এই বুঝতে পারছো? Average rate of return of project 1. তাহলে আমরা average rate of return of project 1 কিভাবে বের করতে পারি? কিভাবে বের করব? এটা বের করতে হবে, এখন তো ক্লাসের সময়ও নেই, মাত্র 2 মিনিট আছে। আচ্ছা দেখো, বাকিরা তো আমার কথা কি শুনতেছে?
জি স্যার, শুনছি।
Hey, Atul, are you hearing me? Atul?
Sir.
Yes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
The solution, have you written?
Yes, sir. I have written, sir.
Mushfiqur Rahman, have you written?
Yes sir।
Okay. And question number D, how will you solve this problem? Have to, here is written, give feedback based on average rate of return. That means average profit rate. So average profit rate is given of project 2. So have to calculate the average profit rate. That means average rate of return of project 1. So just I wanted to show this. First one, cash flow estimated income of first year is 40,000, second year 60,000, third year 50,000, fourth year 80,000. Have to deduct the current expense 20%. That means 40,000, 20% of 40,000, 20% of 60,000, 20% of 50,000, 20% of 80,000 have to be deducted. Then you will deduct fixed cost 5,000 from each year. That means from first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Then you will deduct depreciation 15,000 we got in the C number, right? আমরা C number পেয়েছিলাম। আজমল খান, isn't it? আমরা C তে পেয়েছিলাম যে depreciation 15,000 will be deducted from cash flow, estimated cash. Then you will get taxable income. Taxable income and tax 30% will be deducted from this taxable income. Then you will get net profit, and net profit will be used for calculating ARR, average rate of return. The project will be acceptable, more acceptable. The projects whose average rate of is greater will be acceptable. Will you solve this at home? This is your homework. This is your homework.
Okay.
And this question also, you will see in the YouTube. This question